Hi everyone, it is that time of year again. It's gifting time, it's holiday season, and I can't believe I'm saying that. This year has flown by. This year I'm so excited because I have the most beautiful holiday kits. I worked with the New York illustrator Blair and I have been a fan of hers for years. I first discovered her on Instagram. One of the things that really attracted me to her were firstly the characters. They're just so high fashion, chic, fun, larger than life, but also I started to see videos of her process and how quickly she draws. She draws in like a small notebook. And then I actually saw her one day drawing with makeup, and that really struck a chord with me because when I was young, I used to love drawing with makeup. I used to draw faces with makeup all the time using my mom's expensive makeup, which she didn't know about. But anyway, it's another story. And I just thought, wow, this is just everything I love. I love her work. I love her personality. I love the characters she creates. So I reached out to her to see if she would be up for creating some original artwork for my holiday gifts, and she was excited and said yes. So straight away I sent her all of the little pots of all the makeup. So it wasn't actually made yet. So this is back in maybe last spring actually. And I sent her all the pots of makeup so she could start playing with the textures, seeing the colours. And then within no time, she sent me a video of her doing some drawings using my makeup. So I was completely blown away anyway to watch that in real time. She just got what I was looking for. She just got it. I mean, it was so in tune with the characters that I wanted, the makeup looks, and the whole thing has just been so, seamless and just the perfect match, really. A match made in heaven. So I'm excited to show you the kits and to show you the illustrations. Before I show you the boxes, here is a quick video of Blair creating the characters for my kits. And she's drawing with my actual shades and formulas. And the first gift set is this one, and it's called the Kitten Eye Twin Satin Pearls Kit. And you can see the illustration on this one. I love it. These characters, they're so chic, they are so vintagey, and they are definitely giving us high fashion. They've got their fluffy lashes on, their liner. These are the girls, I call them the messy girls. You know, they always make a big mess everywhere when they're getting ready. I'm in this category. And the reason I've called it the Twin Satin Pearls set is because inside there's a liquid Lurex in the shade Cressida. And that is a kind of fresh water pearl colour. You can use it as a highlighter. You can just use it as a shimmery wash all over the lid. And that's combined with the Kitten Flick, which is my very, very, very tiny nibbed black liquid liner. This one has just won for the second year running the best liquid liner on the Allure Awards. So it's won 2 years on the run. It's won so many awards, I can't tell you. It's so easy to apply. That nib is so minuscule that even if you are very bad at applying liquid liner, trust me, you will be able to do it with this one. Plus, it's 24-hour wear. Not that I suggest you sleep in your eye makeup, please don't, but it has got 24-hour wear. And it also comes with a Kitten Lash mascara. This is in black, and this is a really beautiful, fluttery, fluffy, fanned out lashes, very separated, very flirty lash. I think the girls here are kind of showing us the effect, and that is my first kit, the Kitten Eye Twin Satin Pearls. Next kit is the cleansing kit, and this kit's also called the best part of going out, because don't we just love taking our makeup off at the end of a great night? This kit contains my award-winning cleanser, which if you haven't used it before, it removes makeup with one cleanse, even if it's waterproof or you've got SPF makeup on or whatever, or the really long wearing stuff. Plus, you can use it as a face mask as well. So if you've got time over the holiday season and you've cleansed your face, you can actually leave it on or put it on in the morning just as a face mask to help you recover from the night before. And you literally only need to leave it on for a few minutes for it to really treat your skin, plump up the hydration, and just make your skin look and feel incredible. There's also a really cute headband in this kit, which I'll show you now. And again, the illustration by Blair, I just love this character. She has no cares in the world. She's insouciant, as they say. She is comfortable in her own skin. She's had a great night. She doesn't worry about anything. She's not going over anything that happened throughout the night. She's very happy with everything. This is the friend that always turns up late. You know the one. And she's just in her own world, cleansing. And again, I love how painterly this is. I love all the blue shades in there. And the headband that goes inside is a cute little bow with my monogram on. So that is the cleansing kit. The next kit is called the Sequin Suite. And this one contains 3 limited edition lip glosses that I'm just doing as a one-off. Now, the actual texture it's different to my Gloss Embrace. It's similar, but it's a little bit more like a top coat or more of a sheer texture. And in this case, it has extremely incredible mega pearl. So there's Kensington Plum, Chameleon Chaos, and Peekaboo Pink. And these can be used as a top coat. So if you have your regular lipstick on, or you just put lip liner on and you just want to create a real wow effect over the top, or they can be used on their own. This one is actually quite used because this is the one I've been using a lot of, Kensington Plum, because if you use this just directly on your lips, it actually looks kind of natural, just sparkly. Whereas Peekaboo Pink, if you wear this even on its own, it's like, wow, it's so hot fuchsia, glittery. It's incredible. I love it on top of if you do red lip liner all over, or even a dark lip liner over and put this on top. It's like, oh, incredible. And Chameleon Chaos, which is this like pink to orange to gold color. This is more of a duochrome. Again, this one just on its own is kind of glittery and beautiful, but on top of a strong colour or a more dramatic lip line is just, I mean, these are so full on wow. You can buy them separately as well, but as I say, they are just a limited edition. And then for the illustration on this one, 3 very sassy girls. They are, again, super cute, super chic. They look like they're trouble and they are having fun. So for the next kit, we couldn't ignore the lipstick that started this all for me, and that's the True Velvet. And I've done 2 kits. I have the Holiday Ribbon Kit. So this contains my award-winning True Velvet lipstick in the shade Ribbon with the matching lip liner. And then for this one, the girls have got their Muse lipstick on, and this has the True Velvet Muse lipstick with the matching Muse liner. 2 girls, 2 moods. Also new for Holiday 25, I have 2 brand new shades of my Rouge Experience refillable lipsticks. One shade is permanent and one shade is just for the holiday, so it's limited edition. The first one is called Dreamy Damask, and this is the shade that I'm wearing today. It is a light, cool toned pink, and it has some shimmer in there as well. So it has a cool silver, pink and blue shimmer. The shimmer is actually quite small, so it's not glittery. It's not like the sequin glosses, for example, which are definitely more wow effect. This one is quite a subtle sparkle to it. The second shade, which is limited edition, is called Scarlet Sequin, and this is a soft tomato red with bright hot pink and bright red sparkle. And don't forget that you can get your Rouge Experience case engraved with your initials, up to 3 initials. And of course, you keep the case forever and you can buy the refills. And I just think this really adds to it, just makes it such a personal gift. And the illustration for the Rouge Experience, I have to say, I think this is one of my favourites. Blair has drawn, she's so Audrey Hepburn. She is so stylish, so elegant. She's kind of haughty as well. And I feel like if the other girls were giving high fashion, this one is definitely giving couture. Here we have the Mirrorball Eye Kit, and this one contains 3 brand new shades of liquid Lurex. They are all available individually as well, but not in an illustrated pack. So if you want the illustrated pack, then it is all 3. Now, all 3 shades, 2 of them were requested, really, since I launched my liquid Lurexes, which have been so popular and so loved by everyone. I also had a lot of you sending me messages saying, I'd like this colour, I'd like this colour. So the first shade in there is Aria, and this was definitely requested. It's a clear, true, cool silver shot through with bright silver glittery pearls. It works really well as a sheer wash of sparkling shine on the lids, or it can be built up to a soft metallic. Next shade again was requested, and this shade is Rosalie. It's a warm peachy rose with a subtle pink and gold pearl for a very soft metallic finish. This one is shot through with a more subtle pink and gold pearl for a very, very soft metallic finish, but it definitely is more on the muted side, this one. And the last new shade, this is just my dream shade. How to describe this one? This is a kind of tarnished, cool-toned, greenish silver with pink, violet and silver metallic pearls. A little smoky, a little metallic, and looks good on everyone. I'm wearing it. Sorry, I forgot I was wearing it. This is kind of like my dream shade that gives something to the eyes, that gives a little bit of metallicness but also smokiness, but also works on all different skin tones, and is one of those shades that I feel like throughout my career I would always kind of search for these types of colours, especially when I was doing like red carpet or things where I just needed to do the most sophisticated but cool and beautiful eye quickly. So yeah, this is, I guess, on my wish list, this one. Now for the Mirrorball girls, Blair has created a trio of fantastic, look at these three. Firstly, the hair accessories are incredible. Love a hair accessory myself. But these girls are, I'm sorry, they look very gossipy. These girls, there's not anything they don't know about everyone. And they only have to glance at each other when somebody walks past, give each other the eye, and they all are on the same page. They're very in tune with each other. I think there's a hint of Mean Girls here. They are very gossipy, love their glam, and yeah, they're giving attitude, these three. And I love the makeup. I love this one. I love all of them. These kits are all about getting ready with your friends, the party before the party. So that's my holiday gifts for this year. I had so much fun collaborating with Blair, and I keep saying each drawing is my favourite, each illustration is my favourite, but I mean it. I love them so much. I think they really capture a mood, and they make me feel good when I look at them, make me feel happy, and I just love them. So I hope you will too, and I hope whoever you're gifting this year will love them as well. So happy holidays, and I'll see you soon.